Hi students, first of all I appeal all of you to watch my videos. After watching my videos, if you like watching my videos, then I appeal you to subscribe my channel. After subscribing my channel, I appeal once more to share my videos. Students, if you subscribe my channel, watch my videos, then I will definitely encourage and then I will make more videos for you so that you are benefited. Students, today I am going to discuss English grammar synthesis of sentences video 1. For synthesis of sentences, students, I will make 3 videos. This is the first video, video 1. So students, formation of new sentences by adding or joining 2 or more simple sentences is called synthesis of sentences. So students, what happens? 2 or more simple sentences, if we add together, then this process is called synthesis of sentences. Means 2 or more sentences make one bigger sentence. So students, first of all, simple sentence. So what is simple sentence? Simple sentence which have one subject and one predicate with one finite verb is called a simple sentence. Now students, the rules of synthesis of sentences are as follows. Number 1, by using conjunction and. Example, Hari is honest. Number 1. Number 2, Hari is clever. Number 3, Hari is brave. So students, if we join these 3 sentences and make one sentence, then that particular sentence will be Hari is honest, clever and brave. So students, the answer is Hari is honest, clever and brave. Now number 2, by using adjective. Means by using adjective also we may combine simple sentences and make bigger sentence. Example of simple sentences are: number 1, the tall man had a watch. Number 2, the watch was new. Number 3, the watch was costly. So students, the combination of these 3 sentences and the bigger sentence is, after combination of these 3 sentences, and that made bigger sentences, that tall man had a costly new watch. The tall man had a new watch. The tall man had a costly watch. The tall man had a watch. The tall man had a new watch. The tall man had a costly watch. So the answer is together, the tall man had a costly new watch. So students, now number 3, by using participle. Participle we know are of 2 kinds. One is present participle, after the verb ing is added, then past participle. Example, the thief saw the police. Number 2, he ran away. So the answer is, on seeing the police, the thief ran away. Now students, number 4, by using participle phrase. Example, the rain came down. Number 1, the rain came down. Number 2, all the people ran away. So the answer is, the rain Having come down, all the people ran away. So students, this is the result of these two sentence combination. So now students, number 5, by using infinitive. So students, infinitive, you know, when we add to, that is called to infinitive. And sometimes if we do not use infinitive, that is known as bare infinitive. So students, here by using infinitive, Mohan is very fat. Number 1. Number 2, he cannot run. So the combination of these two sentences, after combining these two sentences, the new sentence is like this: Mohan is too fat to run. Now students, number 6, by using adverb or adverbial phrase. Number 1, he passed the test. Number 2, it was very fortunate. Now students, the answer is fortunately he passed the test. So the combination of these two sentences, the new sentence is like this: fortunately he passed the test. Now students, number 7, by using preposition with noun. So preposition, students, you know, there will be another chapter for preposition. I will discuss with you. Number 1, he has failed many times. Number 2, he still hopes to succeed. SUCCEED, succeed. So the answer is, in spite of many failures, he hopes to succeed. Means he fails many times, but yet he has a desire to be succeeded. So in spite of many failures, he hopes to succeed. Now students, number 8, by using noun on phrase in apposition. Noun or phrase in apposition. Example, Lord Alfred Tennyson was a great poet. Number 1, Lord Alfred Tennyson was a great poet. Number 2, he wrote many poems. So the answer is, Lord Alfred Tennyson, a great poet, wrote many poems. So this will be the combination of these two sentences. Next students, compound sentence. Sentence having two or more. So students, Lord Alfred Tennyson, a great poet, wrote many poems. Now compound sentence. Sentence having two or more coordinate clauses, maybe one dependent and one independent, or maybe two independent clauses, is called a compound sentence. So what is compound sentence? Sentence which have two or more coordinated clause. Maybe two coordinate clause, maybe more than two coordinate clause. So both the coordinate clause may be dependent, one may be dependent and another may be independent. So this is the condition. So such type of sentence is called compound sentence. So students, now rules of forming compound sentence. Students, generally by using coordinative conjunction like and, both, not only but also, as well as, but, still, nevertheless, however, yet, or, either or, neither nor, so, therefore, for, etc. Simple sentences can be converted to compound sentences. So after using these coordinate conjunction, we can make compound sentences by joining simple sentences. So students, now some examples to form compound sentences by joining two or more simple sentences are: number 1, Radhakrishna was a professor. Next, second sentence of number 1, Radhakrishna was a philosopher. So students, the answer is Radhakrishna was both a professor and a philosopher. Or Radhakrishna was not only a professor but also a philosopher. And students, the third number answer, you will write one answer only in the exam. Radhakrishnan was a professor as well as a philosopher. Now students, number 2, Ram is poor, Ram is honest. Answer: Ram is poor but honest. Now students, number 3, work hard. First sentence, word hard, simple sentence. Second sentence, you will be unsuccessful. So the answer means the combination of these two sentences. The new one is, after combining two sentences, work hard or you will be unsuccessful. Work hard or you will be unsuccessful. Now students, number 4, hold your tongue. The first simple sentence. Second simple sentence, you will fall in danger. So the answer is hold your tongue on or you will fall in danger. Now students, number 5, he is weak. First sentence, first simple sentence. Second simple sentence, he cannot work. So the answer is he cannot work because he is weak. Now students, number 6, he cannot speak. He cannot hear. So the answer is he can neither speak nor hear. Speak, S-P-E-A-K, speak. Now students, number 7, we can travel by land. We can travel by air. So the new sentence after combining these two simple sentences is we can travel by land as well as by air. This is the compound sentence. Now students, number 8, the night is dark. I am far from home. Means the night is dark. It is a dark night. I am far from home. I am away from home. So the answer is the night is dark and I am far from home. Next, number 9, he was fined. He was sent to jail. These two simple sentences. Now students, the answer is he was not only fined but also sent to prison or jail. Or he was fined and sent to prison. Next, number 10, he did not meet Rina. He did not meet her sister. So the answer is he met neither Rina nor her sister. Now students, complex sentence. Sentence which have one main or principal clause and one or more subordinate clause is called a complex sentence. Example, this is the boy who stole my pen. So principal clause, this is the boy. Principal clause, who stole my pen. Subordinate clause. So students, remaining parts I will discuss in my next video 2. So students, all of you will watch my video and try to understand clearly. Thank you.